In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use iMessage on your iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max. Whether you're setting up a new device or just getting started with iMessage, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you're ready to enjoy seamless texting with other Apple users. Firstly, let's dive into enabling iMessage. To begin, grab your iPhone and head over to the home screen. From here, you'll want to locate the Settings app. It's the one with the grey gear icon, and it's usually easy to spot. Once you're in settings, scroll through the list of options until you find apps. Tap on apps to explore more settings specifically related to the apps installed on your device. Within the apps section, look for messages. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a new screen with various settings for the messages app. Here you're going to see a switch marked iMessage. Tap the switch to turn it on. When you do this, it may initially say waiting for activation. There's no need to worry, this is completely normal. Just give it a few moments and it should activate without any trouble. Now that iMessage is activated, let's move on to how you can use it to stay in touch with friends and family. Start by opening the Messages app, which you can find on your home screen. It's the green icon with a white speech bubble. Once in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the Compose icon. It looks like a pencil inside a square. Now you can enter the contact name or phone number of the person you want to chat with. Make sure that the person you're messaging is using an Apple device, as iMessage only works between Apple users. This brings up your familiar conversation screen. Simply type your message into the text field provided. When you're ready to send it, tap the blue arrow icon which acts as the send button. iMessage conversations are displayed with blue bubbles so you'll know when your message is sent using iMessage. If, for any reason, a message is sent as a standard SMS, it will appear in a green bubble instead. This typically happens if the person you're messaging isn't using an Apple device or if iMessage is temporarily unavailable, and there you have it, you've successfully enabled and started using iMessage on your iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now you're all set to enjoy a seamless messaging experience with other Apple users. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Happy messaging!